Hello, David here from Grunt 4x4. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a set of Grunt bonnet struts to a 70 series Landcruiser. Okay, what we're going to do now is remove the bolt closest to the firewall. What we're going to do now with the bolts out, we're going to fit the small bracket with the ball facing the front. Okay, we've finished with the first bracket. Now we go to the long bracket. We're going to mark our holes. We want to be 655 from the top of the bracket to the edge of the bonnet here, and 38mm from the edge of the bonnet to the bracket here. You can also see that we've followed the contour of the fold of the bonnet on the inside as well. I've marked 655 to the top of the bracket from the bottom of the bonnet. I've just marked the centre of the holes so we can drill them. As you can see, we've installed the two riv nuts. Now it's time to install the bracket using your Allen keys, fitting the spring washer on first. We've got the two long brackets on now, so what will be a good idea is to get a mate to help you lift the bonnet off the peg, and we'll snap the strut on. Okay, just once more, now they're fitted. Remember, we went 38mm in from the edge of the bonnet. We also went 655mm from the bottom of the bonnet to the top of this bracket here.